turns to 4, 4 turns to 8. Sleep and get paid, rich when I wait.
What's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, you know, representing Team Take Profits. And thank you for tuning in to another video. We've been on this series. If you guys are just now finding my channel or whatever, we've been on this series basically going over every indicator. Not every indicator, but the ones that are necessary to go over, the ones that are necessary to use. I pretty much know the ones that's gonna make us money. And I'm talking about Ichimoku Cloud. We're gonna look at that money flow index, baby. We're gonna master that divergence with that RSI. Right now, we're going over the 50 moving average. So we just finna go crazy with it, and you guys are gonna master this. All right, because my goal is to help you become a profitable trader so you can get your time freedom back and start empowering people around you. That's my mission. That's my goal. And follow the journey, guys, because I'm going to lace you all the way up. I guarantee you. So let's dive into the charts and let's continue this journey of mastering this 50 moving average. I'm going to show you. Basically, I took a trade a couple days ago, and this one was a little different, and I want to show you guys what that looked like. Let's dive in. So the 50 moving average strategy, this is GBP USD. I really only trade about 2 or 3 pairs, GBP USD and GBP JPY. All right. So basically we're waiting for the candle to break the 50 moving average on the hour chart. And as you can see on the chart, that's what happens right here where this dotted line is. It broke the 50. Boom. It's game time. But see, this is for people that need a little help. Don't forget, that's why I'm doing these videos, because this is going to help you make some money while you're learning how to trade overall. So it broke the 50. This one was a nice one as well. This is the type of stuff we're looking for. So once price break the 50, I already want you to be on a 15-minute chart. Now on the 15-minute chart, you want to bring up the MACD. You don't need the MACD on the 1 hour chart, but just when you go to the 15-minute, you need the MACD. All right. And the MACD is set to standard. If you want to know the settings, then just click the video at the end of this video and it'll show you how to set everything up and what's everything. All right. So check this out. So this dotted line right here is where the last 15-minute candle closed. When that 1 hour candle broke the 50 and closed, this was the last 15-minute candle. All right. So here's the thing. I told you on the other video to just take the entry. But see, I've been doing this for so long. I didn't just take the entry. I waited for a pullback. And as we dive in to this, as we get deeper into this, you're going to start learning how to bob and weave, how to maneuver. You know what I'm saying? How to kind of like, okay, I don't want to just take the breakout. I don't want to just take the close and just automatically take the next candle. I want to kind of do something different. I want to wait for the retest this time. As we keep diving into this stuff, you're going to start understanding this. And over time, this is going to make you a trader. All right. So if you guys got to follow me. All right. So check this out. I waited for the pullback. All right. And the reason why, though, why did I wait for the pullback? The reason why I waited for the pullback is because if it first left a wick for one. You see the wick that it left on the hour chart? Look at the hour chart. Look at me over here. It left a wick. So I know that there's a little bit of buying pressure left in there. See what I'm saying? And then, you know, I'm looking at the stop loss. You got to look at the stop loss, baby. You feel me? So let's put, for an example, if I was to take an entry here, where would the stop loss be? It'd be way up here. How many pips would that be? That's 45 pips. That automatically make the trade setup dead. Because I told you guys, don't take an entry if the stop loss is going to be over 40 pips. Because it's going to be hard, or I know you guys are not going to hold this trade for another 40 pips going in your favor. I know you're going to like get out at like 15, 20 pips, something like that, depending on how it moves. So in that situation, that automatically tells you, hey, I need a pullback or I'm not getting in this trade, and I'm okay with missing this, because it's better to just miss out on a trade than lose the money on a trade. All right. So hopefully you understanding this. Hopefully you taking this in. So if the stop loss, when it breaks to 50 and the stop loss is over 40 pips, then you need to wait for a pullback or miss it. All right. So let's keep going. So that's the case. So where did I get in at? Let me bring this up. All right. Here's the 15-minute chart. I got in at 246.33. That was my entry. That's the yellow line right there. 246.33. Let's put that in there. 246.33. 246.33. Bam. That was my entry. So I waited for the pullback. Now, why did I get in that high? Because that's where the structure level is. You see what I'm saying? That's where the structure level is. Let's even go back. Do you see what I'm saying? That's where the structure level is. Hold on. Let's go back and look at it. Structure. You see that? Bam. See that? Bam. So that's where I waited for the pullback. That's where I was going to say, hey, you need to pull back here because it'll make my stop loss this much. You see, this is going to teach you how to trade, baby. It's going to make my stop loss below 40 pips. Stop, you know what I'm saying? Below 40 pips. So I already mapped this out already. I already had the game plan going in before it even happened. That's how you want to be. And you got time to do this. So let's put a short position up. My entry was right here. Stop loss up here. And take profit is the 1-to-1. That was my game plan. So what's my stop loss? 35 pips. Stop loss is 35 pips. That's how you want it. And you see how I put it above the structured level right here? That's all you need. You don't need to be all the way up here. Now from here, you just let it run. Now you need to watch it because have you seen these markets? Have you seen the way these markets been manipulated and just going crazy? Like, you would have thought a pullback was coming. This thing just keeps shooting up. This thing is severely overbought. GBP USD keeps shooting up. All right. This was a couple days ago. This was like last week or something. And I'm just not being able to get this out to you guys, but I want to show you this. All right. So you might got to get out of this trade if it ain't moving. If it ain't moving, you got to get out of this trade. So I already know that though. Maybe today it's going to shoot through the take profit, or maybe it's going to take a long time. Let's find out. So that's the entry. There we go. All right. So bam, it touched my entry and I put in a sell limit. Boom, it activated as soon as it touched that yellow line, right? Now I'm in a little drawdown. No worries. Because everything is falling into place with the rules. Everything is not going to be instant profit. All right. Now let's pull up the MACD. Do you see how the MACD is crossing over? The blue line is crossing below that orange line. Well, that's what we want to see. Sometimes it won't. Sometimes it's going to be in a weird spot. You want those lines to be underneath the histogram. You want that blue line crossing below that orange one if you're looking for a sell. And obviously we want all of the candles to be underneath the 50. So I'm just waiting for a pullback. All right, we got it. Now we just letting the trade develop. Okay, we in profit now. Keep it going. Now, do you see how long this is taking? Are you seeing this? This is when, you know, I know some people like, man, I put it at a 1-to-1 and I'm going to stick with it, win or lose. You crazy. I ain't sticking with no trade, win or lose. That's the benefit of this. We can get in and we can get out whenever we want to. Utilize that. I ain't saying be scared and run from the trade. Give it a chance. But I don't want you to be in these trades for 6 and 8 and 10 hours. A good trade will not take that long when you're following these rules. So if you in this trade about 6 hours, take whatever profits you can take and get up out of this trade, because it's obviously not ready. It's losing momentum. It's losing volume. The volatility is going down. So get out of this trade. Look at this. It's going. Bam. After that move drop right there, I'm taking profit. Ain't no sense of staying in this trade no longer. It's crazy to me. I'm not doing it. How many pips is that, by the way? I took profit somewhere up in here. That's 25 pips. I wanted more. I wanted 35. But after sitting in this trade this long, after that little spike right there, that little pullback, that little minor little pullback on this 15-minute chart, I'm done. I've been in it too long. So I want you guys to understand that. Let's keep playing it. Look at that. Now, it didn't hit stop loss, but it came close to it. What if you are so hard-headed or so prideful that you can't get out of this trade because you got to listen to these people that's saying, hey, you need to stick to your 101 or no, you know, that garbage. We go in with the game plan and then we maneuver as the trade goes. This market is dynamic. This market is changing. Something could have happened in the news and a U-turn happened. You know what I'm saying? Like something happened in the economy that caused, oh, boom. Nope, we're going another way. Nope, we're taking profit now. Sellers are taking profit right now. Nope, we switching this. We don't know that, but we have the candles to tell us what's going on. And when you see something like that, the market basically when the market is taking a long time, you took an entry, you followed the rules, and it's taking too long, take the profit that you could take. All right. So this took about, I think it took about 6-7 hours to develop. All right. This is not a swing trade. This is just a little day trade. And after that, you pretty much done, because you already know good trades don't even take that long. All right. So 25 something pips and then it reverse 25 the other way. Take your profit right here, because you already been in this thing too long. And then you can reassess. We could have took a buy. You know what I'm saying? If you know how to trade, we could have took a buy once it broke this level. That could have been a buy. Or you could have just relaxed. You could have just relaxed and you know, gathered yourself and get ready for the next day. So that was a buy right there. Okay. Well, when it broke the 50 again, it could have been another sale. So we got double top here. I'm just saying this is for when you actually know how to trade and you can spot this stuff. But let's just keep it simple. Let's dial it back. If you just follow the strategy, when price break the 50 on the hour, go to the 15-minute chart. If the stop loss is 40 pips, over 40 pips, wait for a pullback. If the stop loss is like 30 pips from where that last 15-minute candle closed, then go ahead and jump right in. And then just put your stop loss where it goes, put it at a 101 and just watch it every hour. All right. So all this extra stuff is if you know what I'm saying, you know what you're doing. But this is clutch. I wanted to show y'all guys that. Now I got another one that the market threw me a little curveball, and I want to show y'all that in the next couple days. I want y'all to eat on this because I dropped a few gems on you. I want you to study this, and in the next few days, I'm going to drop the part 2 to this. I'm going to show you all the different ways that the market is going to move according to this 50 moving average. Sometimes it's take the breakout. Sometimes it's take the retest. Sometimes don't take it at all. And I'm going to show you all of it. All right. And guys, if you support what I'm doing, if you like the gems that I'm dropping, the value that I'm dropping, please share these videos on social media. That'll help me out a lot. You feel me? I'm trying to grow this channel, and I know the stuff that I give you guys will bless so many people. All right. But it's going to take a group effort. It's going to take a team effort to get this information out there. All right. So definitely subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video with a few friends on social media, and let's make this money, baby. Peace.